Okay, everyone, I want to do a little update on the Mercedes SL500. Remember, I did coilover suspension swap on this one. I got rid of all the ABC components and I put in Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers. I have no regrets whatsoever. When I first put these on and drove, I immediately saw that I needed to make some adjustments regarding the damping settings, but I made it extra soft and it feels real good soft, but there's more body roll. So I started to firm it up little at a time until it was as firm as I wanted it to be. Yet it still takes bumps very, very well. You'll never be able to match perfectly the ABC suspension, of course. That hydraulic fluid suspension is amazing when it's working properly. I take nothing away from it. But again, I always preach about a peace of mind that you get when you do a coilover swap. You can confidently drive this car and not have to worry about it breaking down on you. You can take a hard bump. You can maneuver at a high rate of speed without that ABC light flashing red. It is a very, very nice upgrade. Now, on a lot of forums, Facebook, other discussions that have been had about the suspension and the different options that you can go with, I'm a hater when it comes to Strutmaster on these Mercedes because you're losing so much. Yeah, you're gaining a peace of mind regarding no more failures, but you're losing the adaptability. Strutmaster is a phenomenal company. I have them on the Escalade up there. I took out that raggedy air suspension and I put Strutmaster. And the truck feels great. That's a truck. A Mercedes is a fine-tuned automobile that deserves the best and the most advanced if you're going to do any changes to it. Strutmaster is good at what they do, but what they do is they take out your old and put in something that they calibrate, that they engineer, and that they tune to their safe specs. They don't allow you to adapt or change. And so basically you have what you have. When it comes out the box and you install it, that's what you have. The issue that I had when I installed Strutmaster on my yellow SL500 is that the rear was too high and the front was too low. I had to put knuckles in the front in order to give the front a even height, to the rear in comparison to the rear. That pissed me off because of what I spent on those Strutmaster coilovers. So I went with yellow speed racing adjustable coilovers on my SL500, and this one I did Silver's Neomax. I love them. So if you want my opinion regarding changing these out, if it's a wise choice, it's up to you. Financially, if you want to continue to put money into the ABC suspension, do it. I mean, it's a great system. It's just an old system. You got a lot of supporters of those systems. I mean, those are the ones who are purists who like to keep these cars factory and original and OEM. That's fine. That's fine. But know that you will get broke off financially maintaining that system. I no longer have to dump money into my suspension. It is what it is. I can still fine tune it and adjust it how I want to. I don't have to put another red cent into the suspension. It's a beautiful, fast, well-handling automobile. And with no sway bars, it still handles very, very good. I avoided an accident this morning coming home from work, coming home from the firehouse. The other day, there was something in the middle of the road. I maneuvered around that, going about 60, 70 miles per hour, no problem. I'm not worried about not having sway bars. I took the entrance ramp or the exit ramp off of one highway onto another, flying around that bend. These cars are low. These cars are wide. They handle fine. Will it handle better with sway bars? Indeed. What car wouldn't? But is it absolutely mandatory? No. Is it safe? Yes. Am I worried? No. they engineer these cars to handle very well. It's not dependent on sway bars. Mercedes engineers know what they're doing. They designed it with the capability of having sway bars in the SL, I think 350 or something like that. So yeah, definitely do an upgrade. Add sway bars. It will make it drive even better. It will make it handle even better. But is it absolutely necessary? No. I don't have sway bars on my SL500. Am I worried? No. Is it safe? Yes. Remember, this is a Mercedes. That's all I need to say. Enjoy your cars. Whatever suspension you decide to go with. Be careful. Make sure it's installed properly. And enjoy your car.